warm welcome to everybody. I'm Ted with Quality Foot Care. Today we have Mike Baker from MTI discussing MTI's new 529 Podiatry and Wound Care Procedure Chair.
Thanks, Ted. As he said, my name is Mike Baker with MTI. To my right, I have the new 529 series chair that came out in the fall of 2021. It is 24 inches wide with a patient capacity of 725 pounds. It also has a power lift, a power tilt, a power back, and a power foot extension. Comes standard with slide back removable arms that can support 250 pounds. So I can stand here on the arm, and a programmable foot control.
Mike, could you show us how the programmable foot control works to move and position the chair?
On the foot control, we have P1, 2, 3, and 4, and that's your 4 program positions. You have your manual positions, your lift, your back, your tilt, and your foot extension. Now the 529 chair is the only chair in the market that has a power foot extension. All other chairs are a manual foot extension. You have your home button, swivel in case you did a swivel base, and your stop. Now on the foot control, you can lock out the chair by pushing stop, stop, back up, stop. And that beeping sound lets me know that the chair cannot move. And to undo it, I do stop, stop, back down, stop. Now, as I mentioned, the chair has 4 program positions, which is really important in podiatry. And with a power foot extension, it is a really nice feature. So let's say I press program 1, and it goes to the position you use a lot of times for your patient. The cool thing about programs is you can use the programs for different lengths. So I can now push program 2, maybe for a taller patient, or program 4 for the tallest patient. So you can do a lot of cool things, and so you're no longer moving the foot section in and out. Now on both sides of the foot section there are buttons, and I can push this and it will bring the foot section in. Or I can do the same thing on the foot control itself, and I can bring that foot section in or out. But again, the programs are a really nice feature to do different lengths of the chair. Now I'm going to push program 3. It's going to show this chair go up all the way. The chair has 20 inches of travel and 30 degrees of tilt. So it's going to go probably higher than you need. Now let's say you're done with your patient. Again, the really nice thing about having a power foot extension is when I push this home button, it's going to bring that foot section back in. No longer do you have to manually push that back in. And while this is coming down, let me explain. There are 2 home buttons. There is a programmable home, and there is a what we call true home. And the nice thing about that is on the program home, out of the factory, we have it so it's tilted up a few degrees and the back is down about 5 degrees. If I push it twice, it's going to go back to what we call true home. Now for most patients, this is not very comfortable. It's a lot more comfortable maybe tilted back and the back down a little bit. And you can program that home to do whatever you want. So if you want to tilt it up more, you can program that home as well. And while I have the chair down, one other cool feature about the chair is it has a super low 18.5-inch entry height. So all patient types, whether they have mobility issues or elderly, can easily get into this chair. The 529 has 6 spline locations you can use to attach various accessories. So much like this arm being put into what we call a spline, you can do the same thing on accessories. You can attach Mayo trays here, you can attach vision blocks here on both sides, of course. And on here, we have the leg wrapping support spline, which I have already installed.
Could you talk more about the foot section and the debris tray?
When designing the 529, one thing we did concentrate on was this foot section. Now I've demonstrated how it can extend and retract by power, which is a really nice feature. But in addition to that, we have the seat section is 24 inches wide, and the foot section is 26 inches wide. Just makes it a little bit wider, nicer to work on. The debris tray is easy to pull out, and you can see it's a stainless steel debris tray. And as I pull it out, you can see the sides are also stainless steel. So all sides and the front and the back are covered by the tray, making it a lot easier to clean up. Now let's talk about cleaning up. So you clean up the chair. You can clean this debris tray with virtually anything since it is stainless steel. We do have disinfection policy on the upholstery, and you would receive that with the new chair. One thing I'd mention is there are no seams in the upholstery, so this is very easy to clean. Both the seat, the back, and the foot have no seams. So in addition to the stainless steel debris tray and the ease of pulling this out, we really wanted to make a sturdy debris tray that can support up to 200 pounds. And I'm standing in here at 160 pounds. And nothing broke.
MTI provides a leg wrapping support as an option for the 529. Could you show us how that installs and how it works?
So as I mentioned, we have splines set up on the chair for the leg support, so I can attach on the patient's left or the patient's right side. Simply insert in the spline. And how the leg wrap support works is it has a calf support. So you put the patient's leg or calf right here, you wrap the foot and the ankle, and then flip it over, have them put their foots in the spline, and you can wrap the rest of the leg. Now this is a rubberized material, so it's soft to the touch and easy to use.
Mike, what does the setup look like on these chairs?
The installation operation is really simple. It's really plug and play. You plug the foot control and you plug the chair into the wall. The upholstery kit attaches with Velcro. It's easy to put on. The arms are 4 screws, so you've got to put 4 screws on the arms. We also offer step-by-step installation videos and operation videos. They'll show you everything you need to know. If you have any questions or you'd like to see a demo of the product, we do offer live virtual demos, or you can reach out to Quality Foot Care Products for any additional questions.
Thank you to everybody for joining us. Feel free to contact us for additional information on this or any other piece of MTI equipment.